Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in CapCut. To do that, I will show you some few tricks where you can easily fix the lag of your CapCut. So no need to open any project, you have to open a create new project here, and once you click on it, it will just take a few seconds and it will get opened it up, right? And once it open, you don't need to add any clips here. You have to go and click menu, and then you will get an option of settings. Click on it and it will get open. So here there are 4 tabs. We just need the starting 3 tabs here. This is a draft, so you can just cache size. So you can just click on this dustbin icon and it will delete all the cache here. This will improve it. Now you have to, by the way, there's another option, auto delete cache. You can also select that. The second tab is edit. You can reduce these frame rate, the FPS, and it will also fix your lag. Now go to the performance here. Now in the performance, you can always click on render interfere with GPU. You can just turn this off, right? And this will also help it up. So these are the 3 ways which will help to fix a lag in CapCut, and it will definitely fix in your laptop or PC. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.